So here we have a basic phone like all of us use every day. So let's take a closer look at my phone screen and see what is behind this. So here we have a cute photo of my dog, Mikey, and let's put him under the microscope and see what he looks like. Mikey, you're going to be okay. So let's move the photo around and see how it changes. So as you can see, it's all red, green, and blue. Let's take a closer look. Still the same, just zoomed in. So right now it's zoomed in right on his face where his white hair is. And that is what it looks like under the microscope. Very interesting. Now I've zoomed in on the green of the trees in the background, and under the microscope it looks nearly exactly the same. Now I've zoomed in on Mikey's tongue, and the common theme, exactly the same.